Okay, Bear here. Just going to talk about this little Muzak tool. What Muzak tool helps you do is if you have lyrics and images, or just lyrics or just images, it'll help you create the prompts for both the initial images for a music video and then the video prompts. The prompts once you have a set of images, the video prompts for those images, like all GPTs that I create. Basically, what we do is we do a lot of research on how to do that. And so there's a lot of data here. Each one of these is 5, 10 pages of rules of how to, for example, sequence for a music video based on doing research on how professionals sequence for music videos. All this is a lot of research. So basically, what these tools do, what this tool does, I'll go back to the tool here, is there's always a help command here. And what help will do is just explain how to use it. And so what this is my explanation here. It's very simple. It helps you do your initial prompts. As with everything in AI, these initial prompts are initial prompts. They're rarely your final prompts, but they get you close. But as they get you something which is nice, which then you refine and refine and refine and refine and refine and refine until you get it the way you want it. It's all command based, like all the other little tools we have. And basically, what it does, for example, is let's say I want to create a dance video from on the housetop Christmas song. I just put in the command dance. I can also put in other things like hip hop version or folk version or bluegrass version or whatever. So I can say dance bluegrass. And it'll make it more bluegrassy if the music is bluegrassy. You can also upload images. Typically, I will do that. I'll take actual images from, what I think I want the look to look like and put it up there. But you don't need, you can start with just your lyrics and go generate images and then go back and forward and back. And you just hit go and it gives you suggestions. The important thing about these suggestions is that they're sequenced. So generally, when we want to make a video, we want to tell a story, which means image one is connected to image two, which is connected to image three, image four, et cetera, et cetera. You can then paste these in your favorite image generator and see what they do. And then if you don't like them, just change them and do something else. But because they're all words, you sort of know what it's trying to get to. In fact, you may not like this at all based on the words, in which case you can regenerate it or try it something else or have a tool like GPT or whatever rewrite that. But that's it. This is, like all the other tools. The basic key here is I do not want to write 30 pages of prompts to do something, but I want the detail that writing 30 pages of prompts will give me. And so each command like dance, uses all of this information, at least the relevant information for that particular command, in order to write very, very detailed prompts. And with all of AI, sort of garbage in, garbage out. The better information you have, more detail you have, the better your results are. So this is it. I mean, these are just convenience tools. You could do this by writing 30 pages of prompts every time you post something in ChatGPT, or you could just use a command like dance and it'll do that for you. So that's it. Hopefully it's a useful tool. As with all of these tools, we constantly improve them, refine them, improve them, refine them. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to show sort of side by side because I mostly do TikTok style, and this will be landscape style. I will just have some videos that we created using this tool just running, just so you can see what it looks like. You can also just go to the website and watch them there. Okay, thank you. Okay, here's some examples of things with the help of the tool. Remember that it won't magically give you a perfect prompt. Instead, it gives you ideas. That's the whole sort of workflow process with AI. It's very quick for ideation. You can try 40 different Popeyes and see which one you like. This is based on some historical images of the resistance to fascism in World War II. This is Jingle, my elf character. And so you can play with things and see, do you like them? This is more experiments and different, trying to get dance styles, dance things. So with all of these tools, what these tools are powerful at is very, very quickly. Here's a Night Before Christmas. Basically, the idea behind that is people capturing Santa's Christmas Eve light on various iPhones around the world. So you can play with a lot of things. So this is an example currently what it looks like. There's Wednesday Addams there. Currently, what it looks like, we change these things all the time. We typically add new functions. We don't typically remove functions, but add new functions. And we do that by playing with it, seeing if it does what we wanted to do. And if it doesn't, we add some more functionality. But still, all of this has been helped with. It's not created by. It's an assistant. It helps you think about how you might want to approach things. So that's mostly it. This is the Mayfield King song, a great song, by the way, if you love sort of soul and Christmas music. I also work on the lettering. So the lettering looks for there's Marge, my March character. So that's about it. Basically, the tool just helps you. It doesn't create for you. It helps you. And it helps you with ideation, helps you give ideas. So that's it. And hopefully this was useful. Take care.